Hello guys, ever experienced this? Dead. Nothing. We need to change the starter engine. Always start the work by removing the minus pole on the battery. On this Toyota Corolla Verso, the starter engine or motor is lying down here. The screw, you can barely see it down here. It's a 14 millimeter. Here we go, first one out. The last screw we need to get under the car. And we can see it up here. We also need to loosen the plus cable. This one. And we get to the quick connector under here somewhere, but it's easier when you have removed the engine motor. Whew. That was a tough one. They are of the same length. Then the motor should be loose. This one. Then the motor is free and we need to get it out somewhere. Maybe at the bottom. Okay, the original engine motor. It is saying Denso, and I also got one from Autodoc that has the same Denso. So hopefully these two are the same. Yeah. Both has this rubber drain. Yeah, I will say these are the same. What's important is this plug, which looks to be the same as well. And there it is. Look how shiny it is. Nice. Now let's see if we can make it fit. Then everything is back together. All we need to do now is connect the minus pole and try the starter. And here we go. Oh. It's working! Fantastic! But now, of course, we have to tune the radio and everything. Okay, that was a job well done. I think I saved myself a lot of money. You can do it yourself as well. So yeah, thanks for watching again. See you in the next one.